Hello, Shiners. It's your boy, Cy Emery, a.k.a. Coach Cook, your encouragement coach, coming to you with another episode of Release the Light. I am back in the lighthouse, bringing it to you live. Oh, my goodness. It's been a minute. I've been in the lighthouse. Release the Light is a positive platform dedicated to encouraging you to shine, to be your best self, to spread all of your positive energy upon the earth. On today's episode of Release the Light, we're going to discuss your reset button. Your reset button. But as always, before I dive into that, let me dive into, a big thank you to all of my subscribers. If you watched my last video, man, when I was trying to go live, Facebook Live, it's hilarious. You got to go out and see my last video. I gave a lot of shout outs and a lot of thank yous for those people who've supported me with my new book, Blurred Pains. I'm not going to go through all of those. Go back and check the last video. I tell you, it's been fantastic. So if you haven't gotten your copy yet, go to Amazon, type in Blurred Pains by Cy Emery, voila, and it'll come up for you, okay? And as always, if this is the first time you've tuned in to Release the Light, press that subscribe button and become a shiner. I would love to have you as part of our tribe. So just take like 10 seconds and press that subscribe button. All right? Thank you so much. Thank you in advance. Now, press your reset button. You know, the last two videos we've been talking about your gifts, your talents, finding your gifts and sharing them with the rest of the world. So today, as you know, I've been away from my YouTube channel for about a month because I was working on my reset. You see, every now and then, I have to get away from all of this. All the social media, all the shake hands. I have a saying, the more hands I shake, the more money I make. Well, it's not all about the money. It's about relationship. It's about the people that I meet, that I come in contact with, that I get a chance to share some of my positivity with, introducing them to my YouTube channel, introducing them to my books. There's some of them up on the wall. And when I come on my YouTube channel, I introduce you to the lighthouse. And I tell you what, I'm going to take one second. If you notice, there are accolades on the wall. I call it light because I'm inspired when I come here. I do a lot of my thinking in this room. I do a lot of my writing in this room. You know, we all should have that closet that we can get away and think and pray and meditate and then hear the answers that we're going to get. So I'm going to give you a little spin in the lighthouse real quick. It's just impromptu to let you know as we spin around some other things that are there. Trophy case. There's another wall there with some accolades on it. So those are some of the things through my 30 years of coaching and my 35 years of teaching that when I come in here, it just absorbs in me. But sometimes I have to take a break from that and press my reset button. As I started to do this YouTube channel, this positive channel, spreading, because I want you to spread love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, faithfulness, and self-control. That's a toughie. Because as you stroll through your news feed, So much negativity. 3 million views. 5 million views. So the major content on most channels is controversy. Who's ratting out who? Who's hating on who? And it's amazing how that has worked itself into our culture. The young kids, it's driving them nuts. Because we as parents and grandparents, we're trying to tell them to do the right thing. But they want to click and they want to go to the most popular viewed videos and the most popular podcasts. And on most of those podcasts, somebody is hating on somebody else. Someone is, with in regards to their family, their kids, the other person's wife, loved ones. And on the podcast, there's no fact checking. Where's the fact check? This is live. And they put it out there like that. So I said, I just need to take a break from that. Even with what I'm doing. And it's positive. And come back with a fresh new approach. Still being, because that's what I encourage all of you, to be yourself. To shine. To let you know you are more than enough. Just the way you are. People may call you names. Oh, you so fat. You so skinny. You so tall. You so thin. You can't play this. You can't do that. All the naysayers. He made you a special way for a reason. That's your light. Your difference is your superpower. So shine, big girl. Shine, big guy. Shine, tall dude. Shine, slim girl. Be you, 100% you. And stop letting the haters win. Oh, come on, coach. Stop letting the haters win. When you shining, when you're glowing, when you're being you, that's certifying it and giving other people the go ahead to, I'm going to be me too. Ah! Say it again. I'm going to be me too. I'm going to be myself too. But sometimes we have to hit that reset button because they get us down. It's hard for the pep talk man to keep giving the pep talk when sometimes like all the negativity just keeps coming in. I had one of the best situations happen to me in the gym the other day. I go in the gym and I'm working out. And this guy just came up to me. He said, "Oh, you're here. Oh, thank goodness you're here. I'm glad you're here. Man, everything's going to be so much better because you're here. Thanks for coming." I had to smile. I said, well, thank you. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I'm glad I'm here too. I didn't know that guy from the man in the moon. But just his positivity. That was his light. Coming and giving me a spark to make my light glow even better. That's a true story. So sometimes, guys, we need to draw back and press our reset button. During my time when I'm resetting, reflection, I always fast and I pray to help me get back on balance. I do a lot of things. Public speaking, promoting, selling the book, public engagements that I need to go to. I'm with the college as a member of the board of advisors. So there's things it's a lot of things. And sometimes it's just, sometimes we need to take that break. All right? So it's okay to press your reset button. Draw back. I call it balance. Get back on balance and start again. You can press your reset button as many times as you like. Ah! When the weight just feels too, you got to be kind to yourself. Even if nobody else is, you have to be kind to yourself. Press that reset button. Close that door. Kids, I'll see you in a minute. Hubby, I love you, but I'm going for a walk right now. Wife, I feel you, but I'm going for a drive right now. And when you come out of your pressing that button and you'll feel so much better. Your smile will be back. Your joy will be back. You're refocused on what it is you have to do, say, be, how to walk, talk. So press your reset button today. All right? Thank you so much for listening. Oh, I get long-winded. Man, I showed you the lighthouse. How about that? And, well, there's my fraternity pin right there. I got my fraternity pins on. All right, all you noobs, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. And don't forget, Blurred Paints, man. Oh, it's a little thick, but, man, it is good. I tell you, Joseph Graham, woo! He's going to take you on a journey. He's going to take you back to when you was 14, 15, 16 years old. And how just the wonders of the world were. But man, he's going to deal with some very difficult things. And hopefully he comes out on top. All right? This is your boy, Cy Emery saying, let your light shine. Let it shine bright for the whole world to see. See you again soon. God bless. Bye-bye.